Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the pet mutation shard HyperHunger. Purchase it from the Santa's stash. It is 10 trillion shekels. It costs that much, and it is a prismatic gear. So essentially what it does is that it makes the player's pet have hyper hunger. Like, that's pretty much it. It makes your pet hungrier. It says big boost to passive, but hunger drains super duper fast. Boost is disabled when hunger is less than 25%, provides a 30% boost to the pet's passive. I'm just going to use it on my cockatrice. I don't really mind which pet I should put it on, but I'm just going to get it out. People say it's better than the rainbow one. I am not 100% sure, but let's test it out on Maui, and let's press view. Oh, I see. Okay, let's see from this bar. Okay, so maybe it means like they're always like full. Actually, I'm not entirely sure. I'm lagging. Sorry, my bad. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!